Hey, what's up, guys? So back with another one. This one's interesting. Stick around because she wasn't happy last time. We got the real big dog in here right now, about to show us up, do some real cleaning. All right, chill. Let's take over. All right, guys. So like I said, she wasn't happy last time. All right, she said a couple red flags for me. She said that the carpet was soaking wet over here. Soaking wet all through here. And she said right here was like soaking wet, like you can hear it. And she also said that it looks like we vacuumed, but we didn't clean the back room. All right. So we've already pre-sprayed, and this was looking horrible. And then we pre-scrubbed, it's already looking a lot better. We'll go ahead and start scrubbing here. This room. So I remember this place because I've cleaned for, I think, 3 times. But one red flag, she says she used me 5 times. That's not accurate. Another red flag is that she said it was too wet. I mean, soaking wet. That's kind of hard to believe for me. I only put my PSI at 500, so it's possible to get it soaking wet. Let's see. She did say there was somebody else with me. So last time I did this place, I had an employee working with me. But I can't tell you whether or not he actually used the wand or not. So I can't option that one out. So maybe he did. But usually if somebody's new, and I'm really watching them really closely, when they're cleaning. But I did videos here, at least 2 videos here. I think I even did a sales video for this place because the extreme differences in this room right here was great. You should see the contrast right now, right? So I asked the customer, I said, "Are you sure you didn't use somebody else?" She said, "Oh, no. I've used other people before you, but I like your work, so I kept using you." I mean, that's great to hear. And I said, "Well, why did you give me a call back?" Because always when I press finish on my job, it'll let the customer know I'm finished. If you have any questions or concerns, please give me a call back. Pretty much beg them to, right? Because I don't want them to have any bad experience. And if I can fix it, I'll jump right back over there and fix it. And this is only, a couple miles away. Oops. Short circuit there. I came back and addressed it. She never called. So it's just really hard for me to believe that I would have dropped the ball that badly, especially having a helper. So here's what it is. But what we're going to do this time is make sure we don't do that again. If we did, caught me off guard. But as you can see, just scrubbing, it's knocking out all those stains so I'm using Dissolve All in this job here, and I knew that when I was driving up because I remember this place. And it's really hard to miss areas here because the contrast is so extreme while you're cleaning that it's just hard. All right, so my conclusion is I think she may have used somebody else. And maybe the last time she ordered a carpet cleaning service, she hired somebody else that maybe had a similar name or something like that, or I don't know, just called the wrong person. Maybe her kid let people in, and they did a awful job. That's my story. I'm going down with it. All right. So anyway, we're gonna see the difference here. So all I'm doing right now is just kind of going over those dark areas. The solution should be taking care of majority of the work. Only thing about these sharks, guys, is the cables are so short. It sucks. What I like about my protein vacuum is that it's got such a, you can literally plug that vacuum into most 90% of houses, single family homes, and in one plug, you never have to unplug it. Vacuum the whole thing. Now there's a lot of color in these. I remember when I first started here, first time I cleaned this it was like a rainbow of color. And there's still some color in that. And it didn't all come out, but there was a lot here that I was able to get out in this area. So, I didn't worry about crease scrubbing right here. So a rug going there. The solution should take care of that. Oh, we got the real big dog in here right now, about to show us up. Do some real cleaning. All right, chill. Let's take over here, guy. This, I don't know how you do that. Let's home it. You know how to work those things? Honestly, I don't. Yeah, this is like, you guys are talking too much. Anyway, all hooked up now. Now we're gonna see the difference. Okay. And then I did make sure you call me back if you have a complaint. Okay, just make sure you do that. I mean, that's ridiculous. guys, I just realized I didn't close the video. So yeah, thanks for watching. So my conclusion, I think she hired somebody else. Maybe her kids. A lot of times her kids will let people in, and she may not be there. And I'm chalking it up to that, right? But if I did mess up, I focused on making it right this time. So we'll see what happens.